Find where Python is installed, if it isn't default dir. Python is on my machine, I just don't know where. If I type Python in terminal it will open Python 2.6.4, this isn't in its default directory, there surely is a way of finding its install location from here.
Sys has some useful stuff. In Unix, Mac OS X included, terminal you can do. And it will tell you.
Platform independent solution in one line is Python 2, VU. Python 3.
For Windows CMD run, where Python. For Windows PowerShell run, git command Python.
Have a look at sys.path.
If you are so proud, listen to the dragon.